Namaste, welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see how to convert kilometer to meter and meter to kilometer. Okay, first quick drill. Convert the following to meters. Okay, they are given kilometer and meter. We have to convert it to meters. Okay. 18 kilometer, 16 meter. 18 kilometer, 16 meter. Okay. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay. 8 into 1000. Okay. Plus 16. This is meter. 18 into 1000. 18,000 meter plus 16 meter. 18,016. So answer is 18,016 meter. Okay. Next B. 12 kilometer, 137 meter. This is also same. I have to convert kilometer to meter. Okay, 12 into 1000 plus 137. 12,000 meter plus 137 meter. 12,137 meter. Okay. Next, 95 kilometer, 2 meter. 95 into 1000 plus 2. 95,000 meter plus 2 meter. 95,002 meter. This is the answer. Okay. D. 9 kilometer, 802 meter. Okay. 9 into 1000 plus 802. 9,000 meter plus 802 meter. 9,802 meter. Answer is 9,802 meter. Understood? Next, convert the following to kilometers and meters. $3,455 meter. We have to divide this by 1000. Okay. Or else split the number between thousands and the 100 digit. Okay. So this is 1000 digit, this is 100. We have to split the number. So answer is 3 kilometer, 45 meter. Understood? We have to split the number between the thousands and hundred digits. Okay. Next, B. 1 2 3 4 meter, 1200 meter. We have to split between 1000 and hundreds. So 1 kilometer, 134 meter. C. 2007 meter. 2 kilometer, 7 meter. No value for 00. Okay. 4032 meter. 4 kilometer, 32 meter. Understood? Now we'll start practice 3. Fill in the blanks. 2.5 meter. 2 meter. Half means 50 centimeter. Okay. C. 5 1/4 meter. 5 meter. 1/4 means 25. 7 3/4 meter. 7 meter. 3/4 we have to convert to centimeter means 75. Next 2.5 2 kilometer. So we have to divide it by 1000. Okay, then it will come half means 500. 5 1/4 kilometer. 5 250 meter. 7 3/4 kilometer. 750 meter. Understood? Next, express as a fraction. 5 meter 50 centimeter. You have to write down it in a fraction. First write 5 meter 50. You have to convert it to 50 means half. Okay. 10 meter 75 centimeter. 10 3/4 meter. 3 kilometer 250 meter. 3 150 means 1/4. 7 kilometer 750. 7 3/4 meter. Understood? Next, the distance between Saina's home and the nearest hospital is 9 3/4 kilometer. How many meters must she travel to visit the hospital from her house? You have to convert this. Nine 3/4 kilometer. We have to convert this to meter. Okay. 9 3/4 means 750 meter. So answer is 9750 meter. Okay, understood? Next, the Satara Hill Marathon holds a Guinness World Record in 2015 for the largest number of people running on a single mountain. Its length is 3500 meter. How many kilometers is that? So 3500 kilometer. That's 3500 meter. We have to divide this between the thousands and hundreds. 3 kilometer, 500 meter. Understood? So for this we finished our practice 3. Tomorrow we will see practice 4. Okay, that is measuring the weight. Okay, thank you.